Hey, hey, I'm just gonna balance equations and chill. So nice, easy, relaxing day. Hey, we're just looking for things that are a little bit different on each side of these. I see I have 3 BRs on this side and only 1 over here. I'm gonna fix that with a big 3 in front. That gives me 3 Ks on this side. I only have 1 over here. I'll put a 3 in front of that. Now, it looks like I'm at an ending here. So I have 1AL and 1AL. That checks out. I'll put 1s in. All right? Problem 2. We have to find something different. And I see 1FE, 1FE, 2Fs, 2Fs, 1PD, 1PD, 10, 10. It's already done. We can put 1s in there. But the 1s are optional, so you don't have to put those in there. Problem 3. This is obnoxious, right? We have 4 P's over here and 1 over here. We'll fix that with a big 4. That gives me 4 times 3, which is 12 BRs. And 12 BRs would be 6 times 2. Finding something different, I can go with the BRs or I can go with the CLs. I think I'll go with the BRs today. So there's 2 BRs on this side, and there's only 1 over here. So I'll put a 2 in front. That gives me 2 LIs, and I only have 1 LI over here. I'll put a 2 in front. That gives me 2 CLs, and I already have 2 CLs, so I can put a 1 in there. And we started at BR. Let's start with the CLs. We have 2 CLs on this side, 1 CL over here. We'll put a 2 in front of that. That gives me 2 H's on this side and 1 H on this side. A 2 in front of that will fix that. That gives me 2 BRs over here. I already have 2 BRs. And I'm back to where I started. This is the most obnoxious. We have 3 SO4s on this side. We only have 1 SO4 over here. We'll put a 3 in front. That gives me 3 CAs on that side and only 1 calcium over here. I'll put a 3 in front of that also. 3 times 2 for BRs is 6. So I need 2 times 3 BRs to be 6. And 2 cobalts, and there's already 2 cobalts. This is the most obnoxious. There's 3 CAs on this side and only 1 over here. I'll put a 3 in front of that. That gives me 2 times 3, 6 Fs on this side, and I have a 1 behind this. I'll put a 6 here. That gives me 6 NAs. I have 3 on this side. 2 times 3 is 6. That gives me 2 Ps. I started with 2 Ps. Oh, they're playing our jam. Let's turn it up a little bit. This is the most obnoxious one here. I have 3 I's on this side and only 1 over here. I'll put a 3 in front of that. Oh my gosh, we have a conundrum. Because there's no way 3 will fit into that 2. Now I have a few different tricks I can do. I'm going to show you one trick that I like to use, and I'll go yellow for this trick. And what I'll do is I'll put a 1.5 there. Now, this is an illegal move, because 1.5 isn't a whole number, obviously. So 2 times 1.5 equals 3, though. All right, let's go back to where we were. And that gives me 1 MN and 1 MN. Okay, now, we can't do that. That's an illegal move. But what we can do now is we can just double everything in there. That will get rid of our 1.5, and it should balance the problem. Next problem. We have 3 NAs and 1 NA. We'll put a 3 in front of that. We have 3 BRs and only 1. We'll put a 3 in front of that. We have 3 LIs. Hey, we have 3 LIs. Let's put a 1 in. 1 PO4, 1 PO4, and we're done. Most obnoxious. We have Li2 We only have one Li. We need a 2 in front of that. That gives me 2 Fs. I already have 2 Fs. That gives me 1 Ca. I have 1 Ca. That gives me 1 SO4. I have 1 SO4. Let's start with this. We have 2 hydroxides. We have 1 hydroxide. We'll put a 2 in front of that. That gives me 2 H's. I'll put a 2 in front of that. That gives me 2 Brs. I have 2 Brs. 1 Mg, 1 Mg. Most obnoxious. We have 2 NO3s. We have 1. Put a 2 in front of that. 2 Lis. We have 1. Put a 2 in front of that. 2 Brs. Hey, score! One AG, 1 NO3, 1 Li, all ones. Ooh. Most obnoxious. 4 OHs, 4 OHs. 4 NAs, 4 NAs. 4 BRs, 4 BRs. And we're done. Okay, let's start with this right here. 2 CNs. It's called cyanide. So 2 cyanides, 2 cyanides. 2 NAs. There's already 2 NAs. 1 CO3, 1 CO3. And we're back to where we started. Hey, that was easy.